Okay, there's a lot of ways to do this. Basically, they give us these three systems of equations and they give us these values. You could do it either way. You could solve the systems of equations and then find the point that it is, or you could just substitute in the point and see which one it works in. I'm going to substitute in. So I'm going to take this 0, -4, and I'm first going to try it in the first equation of A, right? So I would get 6 times 0 minus -4 equals 4. So 0 plus 4 equals 4. 0 plus 4 equals 4. That's right. Now I'm going to try it in the second equation. 3 times 0 plus -4 equals 5. So this is 0 minus 4 equals 5, which is not correct. So this is not A. So now I'm going to try 0, -4 in B, right? So I have 0 equals -4 plus 4. That one's right. And now I'll try it in the second equation. 2 times 0 plus 3 times -4 equals -12. So 0 minus 12 equals -12. And it is correct. So therefore 1 maps to B, right? So now I can try 2. So let me erase this stuff down here since we already figured out the first one, right? So now I can try B, and it might be easier to solve the systems, but I'm not 100% sure that everybody's learned that yet. So now I'm going to take this one, this 3, 7, and I'm going to try it in A, and then I'm going to try it in C. So 6 times 3 minus y, which is 7, equals 4. 18 minus 7 equals 4. No, it clearly does not. So then 3, 7 must work in C. So I'm going to try it in the first equation. 5 times 3 minus 2 times 7 equals 1. 15 minus 14 equals 1. Yes. Now let's try it in the second equation because it has to satisfy both. So y, 7 equals 2 times x, which is 3, plus 1. 7 equals 6 plus 1. Yes, it does. So then this one clearly maps to C. And now we should not just rely on the odds that we did all those right. We should actually try points 1, 2 in A, right? So I get 6 times x, 6 times 1, minus 2 equals 4. 6 minus 2 equals 4. Yes, it does. And the second equation, 3 times 1 plus y, which is 2, equals 5. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Yes, it does. So point 3 goes in with that graph. And again, you could have solved. There's many ways to solve these. But trial and error also works. And remember that these points have to work in both the equations for it to be a solution to the system.